the bubble wrap with a reflective coating on each side. Going to go in between this layer of fleece and the layer of fiberglass, a couple layers of fiberglass on the outer shell. So that layer of fleece is going to act kind of like a headliner, other than it's going to be attached to the outside shell. The resin makes the fiberglass a little transparent, but you can see that there is fiberglass in there. There's a bunch of air pockets everywhere. You're going to want to make sure that you get rid of all those air pockets. You can get a roller, a wooden roller or something of that nature, and that'll work just fine. So here's what I have so far, and here's the process. Stretch the fleece over the roll cage, cover the fleece with resin. I put one layer of fiberglass around the perimeter where the roll cage is. Then I put this mat, not this mat, I put this bubble wrap stuff with reflective stuff. It's going to kind of insulate it. It's also going to kind of keep some of the heat out, in theory. And then I put another layer of fiberglass across the entire thing. This isn't going to be all of it. It's going to need probably 2 or 3 more coats of fiberglass at least to get the strength. I mean, it'll spring back a little bit, but it's pretty rigid. Here's the underside of it off of the truck. Still got to remove some of the duct tape residue, some of the tin foil and everything. But my plan is I want to paint this thing, so I want to put a layer of resin on the underside here, sand it all smooth, and then paint it, because I want to be able to take this top off, get the garden hose out, and spray it off every single time it gets dirty, and not have to deal with anything fabric related. So if I put the resin, it's going to turn it into something I can just spray off, no problems.